If you want to change the message notification sound on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. And from here you will find the option of Text Tone. Just tap on it, and from here just select your preferred messages sound. Now you can either select any sound from this list, or you can select Classic at the bottom of the list. And from this list you can select any of the classic messages sound. And after you do that, you will change the messages sound of your iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can change the messages sound on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.